So today I'm going to talk about seating arrangement, and it's one of the most important things in having an event executed, because depending on the kind of event you are doing or planning to do, and you have your guests coming in, so having the seating arrangement in such a way that um however you decide to have them half seated, half standing, half cocktail, half seated, half round tables, half theater seating. So there are many kinds of seating arrangements, and depending on your event, uh, having that seating arrangement recommended to you, suggested rather, and having that executed in the venue as per the size of the venue. Many times it so happens that the venue may be smaller or larger, and it may not be able to accommodate that many number of people in, uh, for instance, seated style, like theater style. So, depending on what kind of event you are doing and how would you want the people to be, you know, standing or seated, and at the same time accommodated in the venue entirely, on those bases is what the seating arrangement is decided. Like for instance, if it's a wedding, so there will be if the wedding ceremony is happening, there will be like a few theater style seating in front of the stage. So keeping in mind the size of the stage, then the aisle in between, and then the theater style, and then people may want to have food at the same time, so having some round tables out there. And then if there is cocktail being served, like alcohol being served, then there being some beautiful cocktail stands over there. Place some cocktail stands so people can stand around the cocktail stands and have their alcohol or starters or whatever. And for the same way, in the same way, if you have to do like a conference, and generally conferences are done either in theater style or in round table style or in a U style, U shape. So you have U shape seated when there is also discussion and meeting happening. So, depending on the number of people, the size of the venue, what all are you including in the venue, like the stage, decor, things like that. And then accordingly suggesting the, seating arrangement is something that I also look into and suggest, depending on the kind of event you're planning to have. So if it's a, retreat, healing retreat, then you may not want anything and you would be seated on the floor, or you might just want some yoga mats or something like that. So that is what largely the seating arrangement captures, and that is how I step into helping you in deciding and planning uh, what kind of seating arrangement to have in what kind of an venue, and for what kind of an event that you are planning to host or conduct. So that's where I step in. I hope this helps and gives you some clarity. And yes, we'll meet again covering some other aspects of the planning and organizing of the event. And if you, as an outsider, are elsewhere and want to host or conduct an event or a wedding or anything of that sorts, you can always get in touch with me to if you want to do it in Bir in Himachal. So yeah, so you don't have to really worry about anything, and I will um, you know take care of things and also manage it for you.